Hello YouTube family, welcome back to Fashion Forward. How are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Your go-to source for the latest trends, style tips and everything fabulous. Today we are talking about one of the most iconic and essential items in any fashionista wardrobe, high heels. But we are not just sticking to any heels, we are diving into the hottest trends for stiletto high heels, moles, and sandals in 2024. Talk about how stiletto heels are making a strong comeback in 2024 with a focus on comfort and bold designs. Stiletto heels have always been a symbol of sophistication and power, but in 2024 they are taking it up a notch. Designers are mixing ele- elegance with technology, incorporating ergonomic designs without compromising on style. We are seeing more cushion support and better heel stability, making stilettos more wearable than ever before. Maintain specific designer brands leading this trend. Fashion houses like Jimmy Choo and Christian Louboutin are pushing boundaries with avant-garde shapes and metallic finishes. The stiletto heel in 2024 is not just about height, it's about making a statement. Shift focus to moles, highlighting their blend of casual and chic. Moles have been a go-to for women seeking that perfect balance between comfort and elegance. In 2024, this style continues to dominate both street style and runway fashion. Whether it's a closed-toe mole for a chic office look or an open-toe option for a night out, these shoes offer versatility. Discuss the evolution of moles and their increasing presence in sustainable fashion. Sustainability is a key factor this year, and many brands are using eco-friendly materials like vegan leather and recycled plastics to create stunning environmentally conscious designs. Look out for brands like Stella, MC Cartini and Vija leading this charge, featuring some popular styles from black-heeled moles to flat designs. The focus is on comfort without sacrificing aesthetics. Move on to sandals and how they have evolved into a must-have fashion item. Sandals are no longer just for the beach. 2024 is all about elevating the sandal into a high fashion item. Think strappy, embellished, and even heeled sandals that can transition from day to night effortlessly. Highlight top sandal trends such as gladiators, minimalist designs, and chunky platforms. Gladiator sandals are making a massive comeback, and the minimalist trend is also holding strong. Perfect for the fashion forward minimalist for those who love to bold statement chunky platform. Sandals are perfect for adding a little extra easy to any outfit. Discuss the color trends of 2024 in footwear, including bold and pastel shades. The color palette this year is a mix of bold tones and soft pastels. Think cobalt, blue, hot pink, and white orange for those who want to stand out. On the other side, we have muted tones like lavender, beige, and soft pink for those who prefer understand elegance. Talk about materials, leather, stun, and metallics. As for materials, we are seeing a lot of luxe finishes. Metallics, satin, and glossy patent leather are the go-to choice. These materials offer a sense of sophistication while ensuring your shoes become the focal point of your outfit. Offering styling tips for each type of shoe. Now let's talk about how to style these fabulous shoes. For stilettos, a classic pencil skirt or tailored trouser can elongate the legs and create a sleek silhouette. Molds can be paired with cropped pants or a flowing midi dress for that effortlessly chic look. And for sandals, do not be afraid to play with layers. Think maxi dresses, skirts, or even denim shorts for a casual yet polished vibe. Provide some quick tips on how to maintain and care for these shoes to ensure your heels, moles, and sandals last through the seasons. Remember a few key care tips for leather shoes. Invest in a good polish and protect spray. For fabric materials like stain and gentle soft cleaning will go a long way. And always store your shoes in a cool, dry place to avoid any unnecessary wear. Warm up the video and encourage engagement. That's a wrap on today's video. We have covered everything from the hottest trends in stiletto heels, moles, and sandals to how to style and care for them. Let me know in the comments which style you are most excited to try in 2024. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more fabulous fashion content. Until next time, stay stylish, inshallah.